Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate AI media on CapCut PC. So if you go here in import, there's going to be AI media, or right here if you can't find it. So you can add in a prompt. I have two free uses left, so I'm just going to do that now. There is a few models you can choose from: image 3.0, natural and realistic, general v 2.0, realistic style, and then I think most of this is realistic, ideal for text posters. I'm gonna do general Excel. I'm just going to do create a perfume bottle that looks like candy. I don't know. Then I'm going to select generate, and I'm going to wait for it to generate. Over there on the right side, you'll see the percentage of it. So I'm just going to wait for that to load. Still waiting. And it's basically going to show me like 4 examples. I'm gonna do this one. Oh, that's cute. And then you can even like modify and regenerate it, but I'll need 3 more tokens, which I don't have. But yeah, that is it. That is how you can generate stuff on CapCut. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.